Welcome. In this video, I'll guide you through the simple steps to hide syncing updates notifications from showing up on your lock screen for Google Drive. If you find those constant syncing alerts distracting or unnecessary, this quick adjustment will help keep your lock screen cleaner and more private. Let's get started. First, open your phone and go to Settings. This is where you'll find the tools to manage all of your apps, including Google Drive. Next, tap on Apps. From here, you'll see a full list of the applications installed on your device. Scroll through until you locate Google Drive and tap on it. Once you're inside the Google Drive settings, select Notifications. This section controls what kinds of alerts the app is allowed to show you. Now, tap on Notification Categories. This breaks down all of the different types of notifications you might get from Google Drive. Scroll down to the Other section and tap on Syncing Updates to Files. This is the category responsible for sending you alerts about file syncing activity in the background. Here you'll find several customization options for this type of notification. Tap on Lock Screen. At this point, you'll see different display preferences that control what information shows up when your device is locked. To fully hide these syncing updates, choose the option that says, Don't Show Notifications. With this setting turned on, Google Drive can still handle syncing in the background, but you won't see those updates cluttering your lock screen anymore. And that's it. With just a few quick steps, you've removed syncing notifications from your lock screen while still allowing Google Drive to do its job quietly in the background. This is a great way to keep your device more organized, protect your privacy, and keep your lock screen focused only on the alerts that matter most. If you find this helpful, you can also explore other notification categories inside Google Drive and tailor them to your needs. Customizing these settings ensures that you're only seeing the important alerts when you actually want to. Thanks for watching.